Gimana puto? Gimana sih? Ya. Gimana sih? Ya.
Hey everyone, I recently went to Morocco and was so inspired by everything that I saw that I wanted to make a YouTube video on how you can recreate a look using your favorite products inspired by the colors and the beauty of all Morocco. From the sand dunes to the riots that are palaces transformed to the spice market that's full of color from blues to gold to the sunrises that we saw in the blue city in the north of Morocco. There's so much beauty when it comes to Morocco, and I wanted to share a beauty tutorial inspired by my trip there. It's simple, it's elegant, and it's sexy. So stay tuned because those three things are the three things that make up Moroccan beauty.
Our look is going to be created by Nomad Cosmetics, our main sponsor for this journey. So the first step is always using an eye cream. Then you want to work your moisturizer right into the skin. This is the most essential part to any makeup routine. Never skip good skincare. Especially when you're traveling. When you focus on your skin, you can wear less makeup and worry less about dehydration. Then I always prep my skin with the Scandinavia Makeup Primer. It stops me from sweating. It also makes my makeup stay in place. Then I use my foundation with my brush and blend it right into my skin. I love this brush because it really works the makeup right into the pores, making it look more flawless and still looking natural, which is very important to me. I'm going to use a concealer and just put it right where my under eyes are. Now, I tend to have a little bit of hollowness there, so I don't like to go too light with my concealer. I actually go one shade tad bit darker, and then I use my brush to blend it in. I'm going to use a desert sand eyeshadow from Nomad Cosmetics and apply it all over my lid. I like to blend upwards onto my crease. And for me, it's all about layering. By layering your eyeshadow, it's going to last longer and stay in place. You can see that this shadow, Desert Sands, has high pigmentation, which is my favorite. Now I'm going in with the color Spice Market that's a little bit more red, and I'm putting it on the outside corners. My goal is to create kind of like a V effect, and then go in with my blending brush and blend it into the crease. This works as the medium color that's going to marry both colors. Now I'm going with the eyeshadow from Nomad Cosmetics called Red City, and I'm going with that one right into the crease. You can see it just pops my eyes. And by blending it on top of two shadows, it gives it more of a blended look, and it looks better, and it's going to last longer. What do you think? I'm going to go in with a little bit more of the Spice Market just to pop the outer corners of my eye and make them look appear bigger. I like to sometimes look down to just really get in there. And now I'm going in with Golden Mosque from Nomad Cosmetics, and I'm going into the inner part of my eye. They call it the tear duct, and I'm blending it onto the lid. Now, of course, I'm using the black liner from Nomad Cosmetics. Now, I always like to go back and forth with the liner, and then go back in and go step by step to really get that deep color. I also like to lift the eye and fill out my lash line. This is what's going to make my eyes pop and appear bigger. Of course, Nomad Cosmetics mascara. No look is set without a little bit of mascara. I like to start at the root and work my way to the ends. I also like to apply more at the root, so when I blink, it also coats the bottom lashes without giving me that spidery look. Now, of course, for the brow. The trick is to comb your brows down, and then starting at the middle, use your brow pencil and line the top edge of the shadow of the brow. Then you want to comb up the brow and comb the product as well into the hairs. You then want to go back in and draw individual hairs, and if there's any gaps missing like mine, you can use a little shadow in there. Then, of course, use a Q-tip to clean any mistakes up, make it look more perfect. Comb up with a brush, and I always like to add a little bit of powder in the inner part of my lash, just so it looks kind of natural. I go in with a little bit of concealer, just in the top and on the front center. So now I'm going to go in with a liquid black liner to really give me those dramatic eyes. So I'm going to start by pulling on the outer edge of my eye to really get a good placement of where I'm going to start the cat eye. I place my liner and bring it to the center. I then start in the inner corner of my eye and bring that line into the center. And the same thing on the other side. Start at the outer corner and then fill in the inner corner. So of course no look is complete without a lash. A lash just adds that extra dramatic effect that we love. Then I like to use a little mascara to marry them. And of course a little lip gloss to finish the look. I'm using Too Faced, a little bit of a nude color to go with my dark eyes to balance the look. What do you guys think? Is this the look that you would try? True beauty lies behind the eyes. And of course, the eyes are the window to the soul. So for this look, I am going to cover my hair, which a lot of women do in Morocco. I do find it really beautiful to cover the hair and focus just on the eyes. But if you choose to wear your hair down, you can also try the look. So I hope you love this video and you get to try it on your next trip to Morocco or next time you want to celebrate the beauty of a different culture.